Made it to the World Bird Sanctuary. International Vulture Awareness Day. Look at this. Very close.
The best way to do that is they learn birding. Yeah, that's a learning window. You need to call it imprinting in the dark.
Auger buzzard. Flagged hawk. Keeps his eye on me. Head turns 180 degrees. Bald eagle. Look at that. Crider's red-tailed hawk. Got their fruit already here. Oh yeah.
There you go.
And then the fish was gone. As Lola walks around. There he goes. Oh. And he's stepping on it. He's stepping on it. He's stepping on it so that it doesn't now it can take a good bite. See?
There he goes.
Eat the meat. They don't actually eat
Golden
the
eagle.
guts typically.
Okay.
These guys, they'll eat the guts and everything. You might gut it and then get the forces to like so, I mean, some
The barred owl, not the barn owl. Barred.
I basically fed here on
Behind the bars.
I'm gonna be going to get these guys and then
You're just gonna follow it.
Eurasian eagle owl. It's the Lander falcon. Oh, he's sitting in his water tank. He ate that fish pretty fast. Wow.
federal blanket laws. Okay, Crystal. To basically protect any native bird species.
Okay.
So it covers birds of prey, songbirds.
Sandhill crane. Indian condor. Another barred owl. Just turned around. Snowy owl. Red-shouldered hawk. Red-tailed hawk. The little barn owl, European barn owl. Brown pelican.
5 years old. And the girls are bigger than the boys. Typically.
Just waiting to get fed. White hawk. Royal palm. Two little babies too. Turkey vulture.